Hi, I'm Shannon Edmonston, a registered dietitian at the Perth District Health Unit. Today we're going to talk about purchasing store-bought pasta sauce. Sometimes when life gets busy, we rely on things that are already pre-made at the store to help us out with dinners and meals. So there's three things to look for when you're purchasing store-bought pasta sauce. You want to find a sauce that has less than 1 gram of saturated fat per half cup serving. You want to try and find a sauce that has less than 350 milligrams of sodium per half cup serving, and you want to find a sauce that doesn't have added sugar.
Okay.
We have 3 examples today that we'll compare, and we'll show you how to find that information in the pasta sauce that you're purchasing. Okay, so this example, when we look at the nutrition facts table, we can see that the information is based on a 1/2 cup serving size. So we can see when we look at the saturated fat, it has 0 grams of saturated fat. So that's good. That's what we're looking for, less than 1 gram. When we look at the sodium, this sauce has 650 milligrams per half cup serving. So that's almost double the recommended amount. And when we look at the ingredient list, we can see that this sauce has sugar added as the 3rd ingredient. So this sauce also has added sugar. So this sauce is maybe one we wouldn't recommend because it doesn't meet 2 of the 3 recommendations. So this second example, when we look at the nutrition facts table, we can see that it's based on a half cup serving size, so the same as the first example. When we look at the amount of saturated fat, it has 0.2 grams per half cup serving, so that's good. It fits within our recommendation of less than 1 gram. When we look at the sodium, this example has 470 milligrams of sodium per half cup serving, so it's still more than the 350 milligrams of sodium that's recommended, but not as high as the first example. When we look through the ingredient list, we don't find any added sugar. So this second example is a better choice than the first, but let's see if we can find an even better choice. In this third example, when we look at the nutrition facts table, the information is based on a 1/4 cup serving size. So when we're comparing it to the other 2 examples, we have to double the information that's found in this nutrition facts table to make our comparisons equal to our first 2 examples, so that we're comparing half cup serving size. So when we look at the saturated fat, this example has 0 grams in a 1/4 cup serving, so it would also have 0 grams in a half cup serving. If we look at the sodium, this example has 45 milligrams of sodium per 1/4 cup serving, so if we double it, this example would have 90 milligrams of sodium per half cup serving, so that falls well below the recommended 350 milligrams or less per serving. And when we look at the ingredient list, we find no sources of added sugar. So out of our 3 examples, this one would be the best because it fits within all 3 of the recommendations.